Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can freeze some of the rows or columns in the Google Sheet. So to freeze, select the row, and once you select the row, then long press this particular selected row, and over here you will see some of the options appearing and also three dots. If you click on three dots, then over there you will see the option to freeze the row. So you can see now if you scroll down, then the top row, it remains freezed over there. Now similarly, if you want to freeze two rows, then again long press, you will go to the options, and over there you can unfreeze or you can go select freeze. If you select freeze, you can see top two rows are now freezed, right? And if you again long press it option, you can unfreeze, right? So you can see over here, just selecting the third row, I am able to freeze the top three rows. Similarly, you can do for the columns also. Like if I select the first column and I long press it, then options are appearing, and over there you will see freeze. So if you click on freeze, then now the first column is freezed. So in this way you can freeze and unfreeze some of the rows and columns, and it is used especially when the top row is mentioned, like in the top row we mention the headings of the column, and the leftmost column is indicating something about the samples. So good day to you all, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.